What's up guys, it's me Geek. So here is the test. Here is the test of the SONY XPERIA XZ2 Premium. What is the temperature level? As you can see, it's around 32 to be honest with you, which is really very much amazing to be honest with you for a phone like a 4K 33. Which is amazing. As you can see by yourself, isn't it? Wow, which is amazing. So the phone really run good temperature. Okay, let me go to minimum. Minimum is like, okay, what about from the back? Let me show you from the back. Maximum from the back is really not that. Only the warm side is different due to 4K display. So yeah, it was me, Umair.